Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan presenting my video on beta gamma function. Let us evaluate integral from 0 to 1 x cube log of x cube and its integration with respect to x. And whenever we have to evaluate such type of integral containing a log, we can convert it in terms of definition of gamma. And to convert it in terms of definition of gamma, we know that gamma of n is equal to integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus x raised to n minus 1 with respect to x with n greater than 0, and therefore we keep that x cube as it is and we substitute log x as t. Transferring this to other side, it gives you x is equal to e raised to t. Differentiating it with respect to x, we get dx is equal to e raised to t dt. And as we are using the substitution, we try to find out the new limits. When x is equal to 0, we get t is equal to, it is log of 0, and the value of log 0 is minus infinity. And when x is 1, we get t is equal to log 1, and the value of log 1 is 0. And therefore that integral becomes I is equal to, if we call that integral as I, integral from 0 to 1 x cube log x raised to 3 and its integration with respect to x, it becomes, for 0 we get limit as minus infinity, and for 1 we get that limit as 0. Therefore limits are from minus infinity to 0. X cube, x is e raised to t and its cube, log x is t and its cube, and dx is e raised to t into dt. Combining these two terms of, therefore we get integral from minus infinity to 0. It is e raised to 3t plus 1 more t, that becomes 4t, addition of that 2, into t cube dt. We call this one as equation 1 and this one as equation 2. In this equation 2, we need a term of e raised to minus x. Here we have e raised to 4t. To obtain that e raised to minus x term, we put 4t as minus y, a new variable. Differentiating this with respect to t, we get 4 dt is equals to minus dy, and new limits, when t is minus infinity, we get y is equals to minus of minus, it becomes plus infinity, and when t is 0, we get limit as 0. When t is 0, we get y as 0. And therefore substituting that information in equation 2 becomes, substituting the limits and other information, equation 2 becomes, for minus infinity we are getting plus infinity, lower limit becomes infinity. For upper limit 0, we get that value for y as 0. Therefore limit from infinity to 0, e raised to 4t, but value of 4t as minus y, and therefore it becomes e raised to minus y. Finding the value of t from this as minus y upon 4 and its cube, and value of dt as minus dy by 4. And then simplifying it, we get this minus sign I will cancel by changing the limits. Therefore, limits becomes 0 to infinity. It is 4 cube and this 4 raised to 1. It becomes 4 raised to 4. E raised to minus y and minus 1 cube into y cube. Value of minus 1 cube is minus sign, therefore it is minus y cube, and then its integration with respect to y. Therefore it is minus 1 by 4 raised to 4. It is 256. Integral from 0 to infinity e raised to minus y. We try to convert this y cube as n minus 1 form. Therefore it is 3 plus 1. We add 1 and subtract 1, so that I can convert it in terms of a gamma definition. E raised to minus x, x raised to n minus 1 dx is nothing but gamma of n. Here it is 3 plus 1, gamma of 3 plus 1 with minus sign divided by 256. Therefore it is minus. It is gamma n plus 1 where n is 3, positive integer, and whenever it is positive integer its value is n factorial divided by 256 divided by 256, and if you divide by 2 we get minus 3 divided by 128 as the answer or the value of that definite integral by using a definition of gamma function, means by converting that given interval in terms of gamma definition or gamma form. We get the value of that integral as minus 3 by 128. One more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you like my video, please share it as well as subscribe to my channel to receive a notification for my new videos. For that, you have to press the bell icon. Thank you.